Are you recording?
Yeah.
All right.
Wow. That is good. All right.
Hello, everyone. We are Boba.
Pop.
And we're here to react to Naughty Boy by Pentagon.
Woo!
Woo!
Naughty.
Under difficult circumstances, they
Our
have
poor
come
boys.
out with a good song, I hope.
Well, all that crap came out after this song came out.
Yeah.
Oh, did it?
Mhm.
Well, it started because they didn't include Edon in this comeback.
It's not Edon and somebody else.
But
Yeah.
the other guy can't participate.
'Cause he's in
Yanan?
China.
Yanan can't participate because he's like in a Chinese show. So
Yeah.
he's currently in China doing some promotion. But Edon was just excluded.
Yeah.
Period.
And it was like, I think he had released his like personal apology.
Yeah.
I think the day before that thing about
Yeah.
Yikes.
Yeah.
Cube came out. Our poor.
And then now he's just stuck in a limbo with Yana. Whether are they kicked out? Are they not kicked out? Is
No.
Cube that stupid?
No
They
one
need
knows.
to just join Highlights Company, and that's the
Please.
company that all the ex-Cube people go to because that's where quality is. And then, yeah, that's it. And then Cube can just have fun with G Idol. And are we ready for this? I've been dying to
go.
watch this.
Here we go.
Badly. Oh,
I love a good commercial. Little Remy's night soothing. God knows what.
It's the little things
something
that
for
matter.
weird days.
Oh, yes. Yes, ma'am. He's doing that.
Yes, that frog pose.
We love good frogs. Ribbit,
It's
ribbit, am I
Watts.
right?
Oh.
Ooh, okay, vocals come through. Oh!
Is that a voice of Silk I hear?
What a cutie. Time to go get my car washed. Oh, this is so precious.
I know.
Giant frog. Oh no. Another publicity.
I like the outfits where it's like half the leg is the pattern on their shirt. Do you see that?
Oh, I like this song.
Oh yeah, it's,
Yeah.
it's a nice
This
song.
song, the song's already slapping. Oh, that's so cute. Oh
boy.
god, that hair. I feel like it's not the haircut that throws me off; it's the color.
Yeah.
I like the color. It's better than when it was just
It's
blonde.
the same color as the
That's the hair color we saw him at KCON, right?
It's just blonde.
Oh, he was just blonde.
He was just blonde.
Oh, he was just Slim Shady then. Hey, hey. Ah, these outfits have been so good. Gotta go back to Forever 21 and buy these overalls.
I love that!
His shirt says mom on it.
He loves mom.
Relatable.
It's an art.
God, he's so tall. What is he so tall for?
I don't know, but I'm living for it. That little frog. No.
This is one of those feel-good music
Yeah.
videos.
It's really funny with like Naughty Boy. With like the happy song.
I know, right? The title kind of threw me off a little, but I'm here for it.
It's not like Naughty in that one. Like, rebellious.
Car karaoke.
Yeah.
The world doesn't deserve all this preciousness.
Aw.
That's so cute. Ah.
I like that.
That was really fucking cute.
That was cute.
It really
That was
was.
really cute. I just enjoyed everything. I feel like it's more like a coming of age song. I know it sounds weird because they're probably all grown ass men.
Yeah.
But it's like it sounds more like a coming of age song, and like reading the little subtitles at the bottom, I'm like, okay, this sounds like something like, you know, little kids who dream of growing up listen
Yeah.
to, kind of thing. And it's fun. It's fresh. It kind of slapped.
And I was
liked it.
worried they weren't gonna be able to come off of the popularity of
Shine.
Yeah.
Shine, but I really like that.
I mean, I just feel like Shine, compared to this song, it's like so different. Shine is more like of a
Like a fun song.
Yeah,
like I want to party and have fun kind
Yeah.
of song.
This
and
is
then
like
this
the
song is
laid
just
back-
like
a feel good song.
Yeah.
yeah. This song is also kind of like I want to have fun, but more like a at a more childish level. I don't want to say childish because that puts
Innocent.
like a negative
Like,
connotation
an,
to
like
it.
an innocent way.
But yeah,
like
in an innocent way.
Yeah,
That's a good.
innocent. Yeah,
That's a good way to
word.
put it. And yeah, I'm just happy that they're back.
I'm really I'm kind of sad that Edon got
Yeah.
fucked.
Especially like this came out so soon after what's going
Yeah.
on.
But apparently, Edon has so many like lyric writing credits and
He
like
always
composing
does.
credits
Yeah.
because he's such a big part of like what Pentagon does.
And I'm sure like they're feeling it, and I feel like
No.
I'm getting kind of emo just thinking
Kino-
about them.
Yeah.
Kino cried at a fan event because they were talking about like living together or something like that, and then like he was like, "Oh, we lived together at one point," and then he just started crying, and I'm just like,
And
and
they
then
look
I started crying, and then we both cried mutually over video.
just look kind of also out of it like a K-Con too. Like
Yeah.
obviously they
Yeah.
looked like they looked like they were having a great time, and they were like they looked really professional, but you could see
Yeah, you know it's on their mind.
you could
Yeah.
see that they're upset that someone can't promote with them.
Because Cube is a piece of shit company. I feel that. Relatable.
But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.
Remember to like. Oh.
Comment,
Fuck.
like, comment, and
I
subscribe.
forget that that's your line, so I kind of I stole it by accident. You finish it. Wait, I'll say comment.
Yeah.
You say subscribe. Okay, you start it.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like,
Comment.
And subscribe.
and we will see you guys in
In
the
the
next
next
video.
video.
Bye bye.